Hey, what is up guys? How is everyone doing? This is probably going to be my final technology video. I did make a poll on this on my channel, and I've also been talking about it on Twitter for a while. I've just been feeling really burnt out with tech videos right now. It's not something that interests me anymore, and I have actually been really heavily invested, both with time and money, in the cryptocurrency industry. But I do have this pair of Bose CQ35 Quiet Comfort Series 2 headphones, and you know, since I just got these in and I am going to start making cryptocurrency videos, I thought this would be a nice way to end what maybe mark the end of what may be the end of my tech videos. I'm not going to make a big deal out of it because I'm still here on YouTube. You guys are still going to see my amazing face, hair, my amazing voice, but you know, let's just get into this unboxing as a final. Tech has been awesome. Welcome to 2018. Great things to come. And yeah, I'm gonna stop wasting time. Let's get into it. Right, so yes, these are the Bose CQ35 Series 2 noise cancelling headphones. A lot of words there. This is actually, I would say, one of the more expensive pairs of headphones. This is definitely quite high in the high end. I've actually got my Jaybird X3s here, which I love. I am incredibly faithful to these, but I thought, why not get an upgrade? It does have Google Assistant built in, which you can't see. It does have Google Assistant built in, which I use all the time for my Wi-Fi lights, which is right there, and then one back there somewhere. But yeah, I mean, I don't really know what features this headphones has, apart from noise cancelling and all that stuff. We're just gonna get right into it. What do we have? Okay, so we have a nice feeling thing here. This is really nothing special. I just like the way it feels. I'm gonna pop this open, and okay, over here it says download the Bose app, so that is great. The pair of headphones does come with an app, and then slide the power button so that the app can find the headphones. Okay, that is okay. So we get a carrying case as well. A bit of silica gel here. You do not want to eat silica gel, in case you didn't know. And yeah, just some instructions here in different languages, so we don't really need that. Anything on the back? Nope, nothing on the sides, so that is pretty much it. Let's just get right into this. Carrying case, great quality, very big. Obviously this is going to be housing the headphones, and we do get a little pouch here for, I don't know, your mobile phone or stuff like that. Absolutely fantastic for carrying, and considering it does come in the box, I mean, of course you would expect that at this price range, but it is still a nice addition. And what have we got here? So we've got, I think this is a 3.5 to 3.5 jack, something like that, to make this a wired pair of headphones to last you a bit longer. We have another pouch in here so you can store some, I mean, I guess you could store this cable in there as a start. What else do we have in here? I have no idea what this is. This is very strange. Okay, so this is some sort of USB cable. USB to micro USB, so no USB-C. How disappointing, Bose. Come on, catch up with the times. But yeah, micro USB here, so that is going to be charging the Bose CQ35s. And then let's just take this out. Don't know how to take that out properly. Okay, and we have this little protective thing, two of them. Never really going to use those in daily life, but yeah, so right off the bat, it's a nice weight. I'm gonna get this out of the way. It is a very nice weight. It feels well built. Obviously, I don't know what material this is, but maybe it's plastic. It still feels great. The head cushion is really comfy, as you'd expect, and yeah, I like the way it looks. We've got some buttons on the sides. I'm guessing this is to switch songs and different things like that. Sliding the power button. I just turned it on or off there or something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna pop these on. I'm about to blast some tunes, getting really excited here, and we're gonna see how this performs. Another button here. These are a lot of buttons for headphones. I'm slightly overwhelmed, but let's get right into it. Right, so first off, what I am going to do is download the Bose app. I cannot type. That is mildly infuriating. Okay, Bose Connect, I'm guessing it is. Because if not, that would be slightly annoying, but just gonna wait for this to download, get into the pair of Bose headphones and blast some tunes from Spotify. You guys already know. I agree, obviously. Don't really have much of a choice in that. I think it's trying to connect now, so I'm going to slide that. Oh, is that it? Yeah, so we've got some lights there. I think that's it. That's pretty cool. Alright, so guys, we are in. I have been testing out the headphones, and first off, the noise cancellation absolutely blew my mind. I thought I knew what noise cancellation was before I tried this, but clearly I did not, because the second I put these bad boys on, I mean, it literally, isolation is the best word I can use here. It isolated me from the world. You do actually get 3 levels to the noise cancellation, so you can turn it off, put it on low or high, and I mean, while I'm showing you this app, it is a very good app. It's intuitive, it's fast, it's got a nice UI, everything flows really well, which is really nice for a product app. The Jaybird app as well, I just want to compare it real quick. Where is it actually? I think they renamed it recently, so yeah. The Jaybird app is also absolutely great for those wondering. It's not like, where is it? I've lost it again, but it's not like this is worse, it's just that I think this works a lot better for what it's worth, because it gives you a lot of extra settings you can tweak with your headphones to really make it yours. The audio quality is great. I want to talk about the diminishing returns, or whatever you actually call it. It's where if you buy a pair of headphones for, say, £10, they're going to be okay. But then if you buy a pair of headphones for £50, the jump from £10 to £50 in quality will be absolutely huge. But the jump from 100 to 300, which is the Bose CQ35 or QC, whatever, the jump from 100 to 300 is not that much. It's actually not a huge jump, so you're probably better off saving your money if you don't want the absolute best in class, but if you do, it's right here.